actually live already on YouTube, but as long as we don't send the link to everybody, then
I already put it on Twitter.
Yeah.
So we should say lots of bad things right now because, whoa, is that your going everywhere van?
oh, the recording will be stored for later replay. So
Lisa, your van thing is very cool.
did that?
Thank you.
Do
I
I
think
hear
I saw a
myself?
My
YouTube
van.
video of someone that had like a similar looking van with like the nice like walls. Like it looks like it's, you'd think it's an apartment if you like couldn't see like the door where I'm like, wait, that's a van door.
Okay, let me check our channel.
It's pretty nice.
Live. Yeah. Oh,
We even have a
that's me.
toilet.
Wow. Truly
Inside
embodying
toilet.
the work
Wow.
and pee from anywhere lifestyle. I dig it.
Melissa,
Oh, yeah.
Don't share until we start in a few, but here's the YouTube
are you
live
doing?
stream.
Ah. That.
Wow, that preview picture is old.
Oh, there go the dogs.
What
Joel,
is
do you have
Eugenia
the
doing?
start webinar button?
Yes, I do. Shall we? No.
Yeah, let's do like 12 o'clock on the dot, or I am in the time zone where it will be noon on the dot.
I have to start webinar button there. Yeah. Let me see if I'm decent. Short. Okay.
Oh, there are two of you now.
Who?
I heard you echoed.
Sound okay now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that time was
voices.
fine, but it was when you were standing up and then it sounded echoey for a sec.
I am not even on the. I'm only with one on the audio. So that
Must have
wasn't
been my
me.
witchy powers or something.
But I see
Yeah.
you twice. I see Eugenia is connecting
Yeah.
to audio.
That I was trying to like make it not be my name, like it could have just been nothing, but that way I can still see the everything, but it's okay. I can just kill that one. I wanted to be like a guest, but it let me in all the way, which was surprising.
Okay, I am okay. The webinar will begin soon. It's weird though. Let me talk louder to see if it's like picking up some random microphone somewhere. No? Okay, we're good. At least I didn't have a chance to download funny memes. So we just use it like, yeah, use a 10, but.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's how we should introduce everyone.
How? With memes that don't exist?
Well, have you seen the memes like he's a 10, but like X, you know? So we
Yeah.
have, Joel and I have some up our sleeves.
Oh boy.
Oh god.
Well, now I'm not at all concerned. Yeah. Very good.
159. All right. I guess
Yeah, shall we start letting people
Yeah.
shuffle on in here?
I am going to start right now.
All right. We can continue to banter.
We sure can.
You got my new session ID, have you, Joel?
You're on my screen here. I see something yellow.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. We're going to get started here in just a couple minutes as we let some other people shuffle on in.
Hey, before we get started, Guy,
Yep.
did you hear about the SQL statement that walked into a bar,
Oh God.
walked up to two tables and said, "Can I
And
join
so
Can I
you?"
we
join
begin.
you? Yeah, I added that to my I added that to my PowerPoint deck today, actually.
Is that where I saw it? I thought I saw it somewhere.
My comedy 2.0 deck, because I've given the comedy 1.0 at Masters Retreat and Citrix User Group Norway. So I'm working on a version 2 now, although I'm quite happy to give the version 1 at other events.
I think the chat is disabled.
So the Germans have a real subtle sense of humor. How are the
don't.
Norwegians' sense of humor? Oh, I love the German sense of humor.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'm
They
just
haven't
laughing at
found it yet.
inappropriate times. I don't know.
Guys, show everyone your shirt.
Hold on, I am just trying to figure out why the chat is not working. I don't know who set up the Zoom. Can I just blame somebody and give them penalty points? I don't know.
It was Tom. Tom set up the Zoom.
I've heard that.
Yeah, me and Trent can type to each other, chat with each
Yeah,
other.
I can send it to hosts and panelists.
Attendees can chat with everyone. All right. See if
Oh,
that
we
works.
got
now.
a Q&A. Nice.
All right, we got
Oh, it's
people.
open.
We got people coming in. Sweet. All right. Well, should we go ahead and get this thing started, you guys?
I think that's a wonderful idea.
All
Oh,
right. Sorry, my
Chicago.
dog just
Can't I?
jumped over me.
Can't I put messages out to everyone? It seemed I need.
Yeah, I can't send messages to everyone too. So
Oh,
No,
hold on.
that's not,
I know how to fix that.
that's not fair.
I think I know how to fix that.
oh
There you
yeah,
go.
we
Try
got
again.
Sacramento, Germany.
Oh, Rory's on.
We got Core,
Everyone, cool. Yeah.
Hit
two
time now?
Sacramento.
Alright.
Elon Musk is here.
Yeah, I think.
Ah, interesting.
Are you gonna do your Elon Musk impersonation there, Trent, for us?
Oh God.
All right, Lisa, take it away.
All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the ControlUp Troubleshooting Showdown, where everything is made up and the points don't matter. Just kidding. This is actually completely real. All the scenarios we're doing are completely real. Anyway, I have been living out of a van for the last 2 weeks, and I showered today just for you guys for the first time in a week, so you're welcome. My name is Lisa, and this is round 2 of the ControlUp Troubleshooting Showdown. My fellow commentator here, Joel Stalker, and I will be assigning time-constrained troubleshooting scenarios, and our contestants will be competing in a bracket-style event this time around, with 2 preliminary rounds, a loser's round, and a final round to determine who will reign supreme this time. And remember,
Hey,
Joel, what was that, Tom?
Who won last time, Lisa?
Eugenia won last time.
Oh, the time before that.
We don't need to worry about
Um,
that. That was ancient history, I'm sure.
Ancient history.
Yeah.
Can't remember.
Yeah, and remember, Joel and I have the power to assign penalties and stall at will, and each contestant has 1 penalty they can assign to whoever they want throughout the game. Now, before we get started, just wanted to go over a couple of quick housekeeping items. This game show is being recorded in case you wanted to relive the fun, and we are currently live streaming it on YouTube. Second, we want you to heckle as much as possible, and we encourage you to comment. Please use the Zoom chat and not the Q&A. And remember that participating in this chat means you will get swag in a couple of days. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Joel, who's going to introduce our contestants.
All right. Thank you, Lisa. And yeah, since we're being like open and honest, I actually didn't shower. But I haven't been hiking for like a few days. I'm just here in sunny Florida, and let's bring up the players here. So we have, as usual, 4 players. We are taking a different approach than last time, where we had 4 people playing at once, and it was driving me crazy because I had to keep an eye on all the screens. But let's start with the top left. Eugenia, the winner from last time, who will be covering ControlUp again. Yeah, if it ain't broken, right? But, yeah, winning formula from last time. So that is our first player. We have Trenton. Trenton, although the icon says Windows Admin Center, sorry, I didn't have time to update all the graphics. But Trenton will be doing remote control tools. Is that correct, Trenton?
Yep.
All right. And Guy, of course, we can't give Guy anything else than PowerShell with a beautiful yellow background. And then we have, hold on. Let's fix that. Okay, and we have Tom Fenton. Tom Fenton replacing Jeff. I mean, Jeff, don't get me wrong, Jeff is still with ControlUp, but he wasn't performing that well. And Tom, as a previous winner, we thought we'd bring him in, and he will be our audience choice player. So you will be telling in the chat what he will need to use to solve the problem. So But before we get to Tom, our first round, let me just quickly check, is between Trenton and Guy. So let me just put those two side by side. And what they are going to do is the first scenario. And now I need to kind of like look. Okay, so the scenario here is that there is an quote unquote insecure application, an older version of an application, and you basically need to detect them, prompt the user with instructions to update. And to be more specific, for you, Guy, it will be detecting an older version of Chrome for the user. And for you, Trenton, it will be Adobe Reader. So let's put the time on the clock and let's see how they will fare. And the clock is not running. The clock is running on my end, but I'll.
All right. Guy's got a clock too. Look at that.
PowerShell clock, no less. With countdown
right,
timer and all sorts of other features.
Oops. So we are aware of what machines the users are on.
Yeah,
Is
no one's
there
told me that
such
yet, but
things?
hey, why would I need to know important information like that? Oh, perhaps I'll run Chrome now. Other browsers are available.
There's the clock. There we go. There we have Trenton and there we have Guy. So I will be switching every now and then. I will be trying to keep an eye on both of them to see how they are doing. And it looks like I have. Oh, now you both have a brown background. That is not confusing at all.
The wallpaper.
All right, so let's keep them side by side for now. I'm actually going to, Trenton is just waiting as usual. I think he did that a lot last time. So Guy here, this is not a DOS prompt. That is a good.
But it also happens to be a window I can't type in. Oh, there's just a little bit of lag on this. That's always useful, isn't it?
Makes it easy.
We got some Chromes running.
Oh, finally at the desktop. So
Oh,
my
we got some
strategy is to go
Chromes
to
running.
Task Manager and find
Let's see
every
what
user
version
who
they
happens to
are,
be running
shall
an
we?
older version.
All right, let's just see what Trenton just says. Oh, he's still launching Task Manager.
Well, it was my plan.
Task Manager. Oh, sorry. I thought you said how do elephants manage their processes? That's Tusk Manager, isn't it?
Task Manager.
That is irrelevant.
That's why we brought you here, Guy, just for those jokes.
Right.
Nothing else. We don't care about your PowerShell expertise, whatever.
I'm
That
great
doesn't
with
matter.
PowerPoint. PowerShell. Oh, I get too confused. Sorry.
Joel, what was it that we said? Guy, he's a 10, but PowerShell is his favorite coding language.
Exactly.
A 1.0, so that's a 2 in binary. Oh yeah, thanks. 2 out of.
Okay. You know what? The command line's not going to help me at all.
Right. Okay. So let's message.
I don't know. I think Trenton or Guy is using a command line of some sort.
Command line. It's called PowerShell. It's not a DOS prompt.
So what is PowerShell, Guy?
I'm glad you asked. PowerShell is a combination of some power, so 240 volts over here, 110 volts in the States, and shells that you pick up on the beach. So what you do is you
like
get
a Ninja Turtle?
You get the two, yeah, kind of that, as long as you can see the turtle's head, of course. So shit comment, but don't worry about that. Yeah, so PowerShell's an all-encompassing thing. Like scripting language, replacement for that legacy CMD thing, which is not a DOS prompt.
Is that a shell, though?
Yeah, I mean, CMD is technically a shell as well. VBS isn't, because you can't have VBS on its own. You can only have VBS scripts, but CMD is a shell, as is kind of Explorer, really, but Explorer's not quite in the same league because it's a point and click. Right, I suppose I better do some stuff here, haven't I? What shall I do? Let me kill off some Chromes. Yeah, message some users as well. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Oh, Elon's on the game right now. Asked if someone wants to buy some Twitter stock.
What's Twitter? I don't know. I'm not on Twitter. I don't know any of this social media stuff. In fact, I don't use the internet at all.
I'm just looking here at Trenton. Oh, Lisa, I mean, is Trenton also a 10? Or you want to give that some thought?
You know, he's a 10, but he's a little bit paler than Elon because he's from Canada. So
Oh, look,
looking
I've
at that.
broken windows.
So what is it? Him being paler or him being from Canada? Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I
don't
love
know,
Canada, by the way.
I'm partial to people from Canada. I think Canada's kind of Canada's
Thanks
kind
for
of
the
a good
message,
place
guy.
to be right now, probably.
No problem. Glad to
What is
help. I like to
qualm?
keep my users informed.
It was cool. Okay, I have to do it through how to move programs. I can't determine it through Task Manager.
Oh, I think he's doing something to each other. Are you like?
Oh, I just kill a few Chrome processes. No one cares, do they?
No,
I don't. I
launched.
use Edge. So
There we go. All right, 20.
Yeah, doesn't Bono
This guy.
explain that?
So,
Registry editor has been.
I do want to highlight the fact that you're about halfway through your time. So 5
all
minutes
right, I've
left.
got my first
Alright.
message sent.
Right. Okay. I thought we were using Sage or Rosemary, but I can switch to using Time. That's fine.
Green sleeves like that.
Seen her
Parsley,
before,
sage,
haven't I?
rosemary, and thyme.
Oh yeah. Let's have a look.
Who are you sending these messages to, Trenton? Because I mean, you can say that you're sending a message, but
There's users on these machines using this software.
Who's winning?
I don't know. It's pretty close so far. Let me see. It's like,
I've got my second user, I think. Yes.
Oh, Elon Musk has a really good question. You know how he feels about bots. So yeah, good
It's up on
question.
mine at the moment.
Chromomy.
How can you tell the difference?
Yeah.
Between my bot and my elbow.
You know, I think, I mean, so looking at the screen here for Guy, he is definitely, so he sent a message.
Killed off all the Chromes.
Killed the
Not
Chromes.
messing about waiting for users to do it. Yeah, we know users aren't going to do what they're told.
That is true. Bots do, by the way.
I'm about to.
I can do
download
that.
it, but
I
I can
can
find the
do-
damn URL.
Okay.
3-minute warning.
Oh man. All right. I got my first Adobe getting uninstalled.
Oop, I think I might need some quotes around that. There's a few special characters in there.
97% memory usage there.
Is that my head? Sorry. No wonder I forget things. Oh, I should have turned off. Oh, I've just penalized myself. Look, I should have turned off progress messages in PowerShell. Downside.
I'm actually surprised that neither of you has used any of your player versus player sabotage yet, but okay.
I don't need to with Trent.
See that?
He sabotages himself.
That was a sick burn. Oh,
So we're right about at 2 minutes. Who's team Trent? Who's team Guy? Let's hear it from the
I'm
audience.
Team Guy, I think.
I think I might be team guy.
Yeah.
I'll be Team Trent just because apparently no one else is.
Moral
And nothing is
support.
going on really. It's just like,
I'm panicking right now. I haven't even finished sending my messages.
sorry, did I say Adobe? I meant Edge. No.
Oh man. All right.
What are you doing here, Guy? I see
Well,
blue,
I'm
letters.
downloading the installer for Chrome, but because I forgot to turn off progress messages, Windows PowerShell 5 has got this annoying bug or feature whereby it updates the message for every byte you download, which is something they fixed in PowerShell 7, so it only messages every sort of few K or something. So this massively nobbles it. What I should do is actually, in fact, I'll do that now. What the hell, because that's just otherwise going to take forever and be boring. Dollar progress. No, I can't type. Come on. Progress preference equals silently continue. Bang. Do that. Do that.
All right.
And now we don't get any progress messages, so it should be it. You see how much faster that is? MSI exec I chromy womy dot.
Guy, this is
MSI.
boring.
This is command line stuff. This is, yeah. None of that GUI stuff where you have to point and click. Okay, that's a good start, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, it's funny. Every time when I switch over to Trenton, 30 seconds, by the way, nothing is happening really. It's just like Explorer windows.
How many years has that been over?
Look, Adobe was here. It's gone. That's progress.
Oh,
I've
what?
got-
What? Yeah.
20 seconds.
Okay,
Yeah,
I've
trees.
been let down by Windows.
Oh, there's an error message.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, that is an MSI. I just downloaded it. Oh no, it's a zip. Oops.
I'm just in the process of downloading it. Trenton just deleted the desktop shortcut. Thanks, Marcus. That was my
All right, time's
no
up. All right, put down the pens or whatever.
pen. That ain't a legacy
Keyboards,
tool,
fingers off the keyboard.
that's
All
it.
right, let's put these two side by side. Okay, so it's obvious that neither of you completed the task, as far as I can say.
I was thwarted by Windows PowerShell progress preference. That's my excuse, sir. I'm sticking to it, and I will get a note
So,
from
Lisa,
my mother.
What are we doing
Yes,
here
Joel.
to kind of like as a decider? Are we going to ask the audience? Are we going to say, hey, the person who tells the best dad joke? Are we going to what are we doing here?
Well, I would love to see if Trent can tell a better dad joke than Guy. So maybe we go that route this time
All
I'm
right,
just-
so
and let the
Sabotage.
audience decide who tells the better dad joke.
Can't we get
All
my
right.
camera up? I want to get my camera up on the screen.
I mean that is, I think,
Is that
setting-
too technical for you?
no. I mean, I can see you.
Yeah,
I see
yeah.
all
But
of
the
you.
audience can't, and I've worn a t-shirt especially for this. Yeah.
You need to stand up, right, and then speak. When you speak, you get
Yes,
the focus.
yes, Dad. Sorry, stand up when spoken to. Yeah.
There you go. I can see
There
you.
we go. But can we show that on the at the event?
But that's a dad joke T-shirt, not a dad joke. So, okay,
Oh.
Trenton, why did you start with your dad joke?
Oh, geez.
No,
You
that's
need a little bit more prep time. Okay, Guy, you go.
Let me Google.
SQL query walks into a bar. These two tables, walks up to them. Can I join you? I've heard that one quite recently, I think.
Eh.
I don't get it.
I get it. I'm just not impressed.
Yeah.
Guy,
from
give it 2
Oracle.
thumbs up. That's great.
But no, nobody could give me
Not
access
surprised
to
that
it.
Tom enjoyed that. All right, Trenton.
I got nothing. I work terrible under pressure here.
All right.
Check
Well,
your Slack, Trent.
Lisa,
Come on.
I'll leave. I have
trying
my
to help
opinion,
you
Lisa.
out.
I'll leave it up
yeah,
to you to
fair.
make the decision.
To me, no, that's too much pressure.
Okay. Flip a coin.
Yeah. Yeah, let's
Atmospheric pressure.
flip a coin. Let's flip a coin. I don't
Alright.
have one, but let's flip a coin.
No, I mean, can I flip a card? No, that's weird, right? What's this? Oh, my wife got a parking ticket yesterday. That was great. I don't know if I have any coins. Oh, hold on.
This is
Okay,
a good
it's
one.
technically not a coin. It's a battery, but if it's plus, then it's sorry, Trenton.
God, the suspense is killing me. Go on, mate.
Guy is going to the winners round, and Trenton is going to the losers round.
Ah.
All
Well,
right.
to,
I
to
can
be
read
fair,
that.
I hadn't even downloaded my software, so I guess you're a little bit ahead of me.
Ooh,
All
fair
right.
point. Fair point. Yeah.
We are going to like reset Trenton and Guy, and we are moving on to the next round, which is
Trent,
Genia and Tom.
don't forget you're in the losers round, so keep it sharp. Keep it sharp.
I'm up.
So the scenario for you is you need to set up some kind of test that checks the availability of a Horizon connection server. And on top of that, you also need to get notified
Mm.
to if there is an issue with the availability of said Horizon server. So let me start the timer here. And
Wait. And
yeah.
so I got to get my suggestions from the audience here, right?
Oh, yes, actually, that is a good point. Hold on. We have one suggestion here for you. You need to use Clippy.
With
Oh,
Bob,
yeah,
ask
I
Bob.
agree. That's a good one.
No, let's have a
Is
look
Clippy
here.
still
Oh,
around? I thought Clippy was. Is that still a
Clippy will
thing?
never die, Lisa. Clippy is.
Clippy heard that Tom was up against
ephemeral.
me and
Yeah, I
Control
use-
Up and was like, ooh, gotta
Microsoft
help.
so
put
let's
him
see.
as a
I see
Blowjob.
here a good.
Microsoft,
This is my favorite guy here in the chat here, not Elon, but hey, you have an iPhone, right, Tom?
I do not. I have the Android here.
The
Do
sensor.
you have like an
Pixel
Alexa
6.
or like an
See the
Amazon
back
thing?
Yeah, see
Or
Timberline, like that. Ooh.
does it come with the Google Assistant?
It does. I can Google. I will ask Google. Wait, let
No,
me
you
unlock
actually have to
here.
use the Google Assistant for that. Okay, let's go.
So no hands. Okay.
Hey, go Woggle.
All right,
Okay,
so we're ready to
Google.
go.
Started. Let me
Okay, Google.
reset
How
the
do I
timer.
monitor web sites?
10 minutes. Clock is running.
All right. I'm totally gonna use Scout Bees because I can. All right. Gonna create a scout. Gonna
Come
create
on,
a
Google.
network scout.
Google. How do I monitor websites?
HTTP.
Availability. Google. Damn it. Come on. All right.
Time's
that's not
ticking.
working.
So
Okay, Scout,
Eugenia, what are you doing here?
bots,
What is you went into a
ping.
product called
Oh,
Scout
ping,
Bees by
someone's-
ControlUp?
Yeah.
Right, someone said ping.
Yeah,
and
I
then
am
the-
creating a network scout. So I can test this here Horizon connection server, and I'm gonna call it Tom is going to lose. I'm gonna set it for 1 minute because I want to see the results, like, ASAP. I don't need a label, that's fine.
I'm
Gonna-
the PowerShell person, thank you.
Yeah, no, I am. I'm a batch guy.
Yeah, we're
I'll
good, we're
install
good.
Windows subsystem for Linux. That's what I'll do here. That's a good idea. USL.
Absolutely.
We're good to go. We
Okay,
good to go.
wait,
Let
no,
me get rid of
doesn't
that.
do that.
All right, next alert policy. Actually, let me test real quick. Test now. Make sure it's. Yeah, we good? We good. Okay. And now I would like.
I just hear Tom like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can someone put some code in there for me?
Yeah. Noughts or ones.
Damn it. Let's see.
I suggest that Tom turns it off and then on again. That is actually. Oh wait, that's Guy.
Well, I've made a career out of that, so very good. I'm very good at turning things off, apparently.
Ping.
So Eugenia, I see something alert policy. So you're setting an alert policy there.
And then I'm just gonna. I would like to get
That's
my little webhook thing going here. So, because I'm gonna have it send me a Slack notification, because that
sounds a bit
is,
Slack.
Kind of.
Eugenia,
cool.
who's your twin?
Am I doing the twin thing again?
Yeah,
You
you're
turn
doing
the
the
twin.
twin.
How did that
thing.
happen? How did? Jeez
That's cheating.
Louise!
That's 2 against 1.
Well,
She's using magic. That's a violation of our conduct code. There can't be 2 of her.
Yeah.
So Tom is
right.
just staring at a command prompt.
I'm trying to bring
People
up a
think you're
power
cheating,
shell.
Eugenia.
Yeah. Okay.
What
Well,
century is this?
let's see.
go.
All
That's
right.
boring.
That sums it up quite well.
All
All right, so
So
my
No,
scout
that's not- there we go,
exists.
Okay.
All right.
Or
And then we'll just refresh and see if we've got anything interesting happening.
open
Hey, we've
bracket
already got 1
here.
success, so that's nice. Cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
Minus N1.
all right, I'm as the IT administrator, I'm going to stop the Horizon server so that we can actually see if you get alerted.
Wait, what's
So,
the
Can you show me the change request for that, please?
Yes, yes, I can.
101.1.
And I'm just gonna stare at my Slack here and see if I get my
Bleed.
notification.
Oh, Slack. I just
Second.
love Slack. I don't spend enough
Is
time.
Tom
Yeah.
doing anything? That's a great question.
There we go.
Is Tom
Okay, nope,
doing
there we go.
anything?
I am pinging it, and now I'm going to go ahead and open up a Hotmail account so I can Hotmail. I'm going to watch it.
Oh, hey,
Hot
When
look.
it goes down, I'm gonna-
Tom is going to lose. I just got a little Scout Keys
Mail,
notification. You know what
that
that
means-
means?
wait,
I
Technically,
saw
you're
you
done.
type that in. That's cheating.
You're done.
It means I'm done.
Oh,
Man, what am I gonna do with all this leftover time while Tom just continues to fail?
Gina
Hmm.
Should we give
is
Tom a couple minutes to see how far he
Yeah,
can get?
yeah, absolutely. Let's go back to Tom.
is not.
That's
It's got
not even
ping
how you
going.
spell.
Surely
you-
ping works.
Hey, in the meantime, Tom, when you're doing that, can you explain what
Eugenia
ping
is
is?
not nice.
I
never
Right,
said
that's
that.
right,
Nice.
Eugenia.
I'm watching the ping here. So
Did you see when it failed?
no, I didn't. Wait, I think is this 10.101.1.92? Wait, let me get the IP address here.
Well, let's. This is all very boring, Tom. So I'm just going to switch back to Eugenia here. You still? I mean, Eugenia technically is already done, right?
Yeah, I was thinking like I might just, mess around and create another one. I was thinking maybe this time I would just actually like a VDI test, and let's just go
VDI.
crazy.
How is this a year of VDI then?
So you did a connection server test through HTTPS testing before, and now you're actually going to test like the VDI itself.
That's the thinking, yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Just
a beer has a
gotta-
good one. Seems pretty normal, right? Women doing the work in half the time as men.
Damn straight.
I'm not
Laptop,
not going into that one. That is.
yeah.
May I just remind
Except
you
when it
that
comes to shopping,
that I got this
then,
parking ticket? Huh?
Yeah.
Here. Okay.
All right, and this is the machine.
Yeah,
We're gonna have it run every 5 minutes, and it's called Tom LOL.
Okay, so you
Parking
put
very
in.
good,
Sorry,
actually.
I
I got
just
something.
flipped back while we're looking at the Tom's pings.
Oh, yeah,
My
the
ping
sad
is.
stuff.
There we
Tom
go.
Tom LOL.
Tom LOL. Yeah, that's the name. Because
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, a guy need my birthday for.
not gonna even set up an alert.
This
for
is not
one.
going well.
Mick brings up a good point for you, Tom. Ping doesn't tell you when the site is working, though. You might need to
Oh.
re-strategize.
Oh.
See, that is why I asked him what does a ping do?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the Horizon client. And I'm just going to try and connect to it every once in a while until it fails. Will that work?
Invoke web request in PowerShell. Guys dropping hints here.
Wait, there we go. Okay.
Yeah, try
Wait.
running that in CMD.
So
Okay,
Eugenia, in the meantime, is again staring and waiting, for her first test result to come in. But this is actually the test result of the VDI. Oh,
Mm.
well, that's actually good, right? Field
that
test, you
didn't
learn
work.
more.
Guy, I tried it. What the heck?
Dun dun
If you
dun.
not give it any parameters, it's not very good at guessing what server you meant.
No, right there. I got it.
Hey, you have 3 minutes, by the way, Tom.
Ah.
But by the way, Tom,
Yeah, you need to put quotes
I
around.
mean,
your
it's just for
FTW.
honor, right? It's just for honor now.
Quotes
I mean,
around the whole thing like this.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that'll make it. Oh no, not there. No, that'll break it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think for style
I know
points,
that
I'm just gonna
website's
add
working
labels
now.
now.
You get an error message that time.
yeah. Invoke
Yeah, that
your-
must be working.
Invoke FW.
Tom is getting a one-way ticket to Mars.
Yeah, see, that's testing the FTW website now.
Elon's paying for you.
It's a DNS problem. It's always DNS, isn't it? You see, DNS
Yeah,
can't
oh,
look up
here.
FTW.
Did we actually tell what the Horizon server address is? I mean,
Number
He's got
10
the IP.
Downing
I mean,
Street?
I can
Oh, no,
send it
that's a
to him.
different- yeah.
I'm willing to help.
If it helps Tom set up that server, you should know what it's
92. There we go.
909. Yes, that's a well-known IP address, isn't it?
90. There we go. Okay, so I'm just about ready to win.
I would go with the
IPv6
browser
anyway.
approach, man. It's
Oh, the
Just keep
browser.
hitting
Good idea.
refresh.
IPv6 for the win. Yeah, much easier to remember those addresses.
Tom, do you need to phone a friend or something?
Oh yeah. Well, obviously I thought Guy was my friend, but he keeps telling me to pay stuff in that
There's
doesn't.
some new
doesn't
definition of the
work.
word friend I was previously
Wait.
unaware of.
See,
hold on, dude. I see that you literally have a link in that
there's-
toolbar there.
there we go. We're
HRZ
gonna-
connection server 8.
I'm going to take the first trending topic here. Not Sperry Farm chaperone policy. Yeah.
Oh,
getting
something
there.
good came of this. Apparently, according to Rory, Tom, you've
No.
cured Rory of his imposter syndrome. Wow, you've accomplished
Quite some
something.
doing, given it's Rory.
Oh, that's a
I-
good one.
Wait, I know what'll help here. Let me get some of this out here. There we go.
Yeah, that's definitely
Oh.
gonna help. That's exactly what you need right now.
Yeah, wait a second.
I'm holy. What?
Oh, yeah,
What's
there we
going
go.
on there?
Do
Did
you
you
like
take
this,
a
Lisa?
shot of Lefroy? A shot
Can
of
you
it?
see that, Lisa?
No, I
It's a
don't.
little-
What is it?
Uncivilized
Oh, it's a little
caveman.
It's a little
Okay.
snow cap from
Oh my
Timberline. Yeah.
gosh, so cute.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Okay.
Tom and I talk
It's no
exclusively
cat, it's a
about
dog.
skiing, FYI.
Well, that explains a lot.
That tick.
Eugenia, nothing happening on your screen, I
Sure.
assume,
You're just
right? I
typing
mean, I can
random
just stay
words
with
in
Tom.
now.
Well, I mean, I did add a really cool label. I don't know. A lot of people don't know about the Scalpies label. So like I created a label called webinar and then the value is troubleshooting showdown. But like it could be anything. So this is like
Okay,
I've
I
grouped
got
them
it.
together. It's kind of
Oh,
convenient.
he's got it. He's got it.
I got
Hold
it
on.
right here.
Oh, wow. Finally caught up, huh?
Yeah, and I'm a failure.
Well, I mean,
So,
Never mind.
Is that one of the
So-
Google
They're
hits? Is that what you're
website
doing?
things. I've heard of these websites.
yeah, it is. It's
Wow.
use ControlUp.
you got 5 seconds. Do you think you're going to make it?
I am. I
Loads
can.
of time.
There we go. Scout bees, proactive monitoring. Get a demo.
That is it. That is
Time's
it,
up.
Tom.
What was
And you know what the bad news is? No rest for the wicked or the slow.
Yeah, you got a losers round now.
Yeah, yes. I mean, Trenton had a whole 10 minutes. Was it Trenton or was? Yeah, I think Trenton, right? Yeah, we had
Me?
that. The losers round is Trenton versus Tom.
At least
know,
you
I
don't have
mean-
to deal with me again, right? Right? Isn't that great, Tom?
Tommy,
I mean-
look at
Well,
Tommy. Poor
or
guy's
both
worn
of you.
out.
Yes, Rory, we can do another recommendation. However, yeah, it was kind of weird. I didn't think about this by saying the losers round is Trenton versus Tom, because since you're both in my team, that doesn't make me look very good, does it? It's,
So question, and this is a legitimate question. So is the loser of the loser round the winner of the losers, or is the winner of the losers the winner?
You ever
the
feel
loser of
good
the
when you're-
losers. Actually, let's do some prediction. Who is the loser of the loser?
But which one is the loser of the loser? Like, what specifically does that even mean? Is it the one who loses or is it the one who
Isn't
wins?
that a double negative? So they're the winner.
Right? Like, I mean, I think we need
So
more of
loser
that
square?
Lefroy,
Is
Tom.
that what you're saying?
Well, the
Alright.
loser will be square, definitely. 'Cause it's not me.
All
Yeah,
right, so let me
random like
introduce
me.
you to the loser scenario. It's not a loser scenario because we're going to bring in another vendor here, and I don't want to get that association. So the next scenario is you're an IT admin, right? Managing a EUC environment, and you use Untitled clients. And a person actually came into the office, took the Untitled device, took it home. And it's they connected it at home, put a screen on their keyboard, right? It should be like instant on, boom, working. It's not working. Right? It's not working from their home office. So they stole the thin client from work. Now they want to use it, but it's not working. Fix it.
So when do you want to start the timer? Because I want to use one of my specialties.
I don't know. You tell me when you want to start the timer and I hit the button.
Oh, you can start the
Canadian
timer now.
Frank
I'm gonna
tea.
phone a friend.
Oh, not a special tea. Sorry.
I'm gonna
That's English, we
phone
have tea on
Eugenia.
the brain.
Eugenia, I need some help here.
Oh, well, Trenton, I would be so happy to help.
All right.
Wait,
It's against Tom, right? So yeah.
wait, collusion, no. No.
Tom, it looks like that
This is a perfect call. A perfect call.
I mean, I agree.
I can
Obviously.
go and get one of my
Okay.
dogs to help you, Tom, if you want.
Yes, to help me. Where do I
They
go?
might be barking up the wrong tree.
Wow, I got it.
So, okay. So, what is the tool that you're using? Tesla touchscreen? Autopilot. You have to use the Tesla Autopilot, Tom. Good luck with that. In the meantime, Trenton is being assisted here by Eugenia.
Yeah.
we're,
So obviously, when you take an IGEL device home and it's got the direct connection to the UMS, we need to reconfigure it to talk to the IGEL Cloud Gateway. That's how you access it externally. So, Eugenia, do we have anything that can help me?
I
Make
mean,
that
I think
happen?
EdgeDX would be the solution here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
do
let's
it.
just find that user. I think it's this one. This is what I saw on that ticket that they submitted saying, "Oh, I can't get into my IGEL device." Oh no.
Hold on, let me in the meantime check in on Tom. How he's what
Well,
he's doing.
I mean, hey, if you go away, you're
Oh,
gonna miss
yeah,
it.
he's already on. How did he connect to that? Okay.
No.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just go ahead and run the action. I ran the action. Okay. I think I'm done.
My IGEL device just rebooted.
Root
Oh, wow.
commission,
Well,
so
hey,
that like a
that's-
tree.
That's something.
So I'm checking Trenton's screen now,
Had me stumped.
and
Yeah.
you were remote
I'm waiting for
remoted
the.
in, and that. Hold on, maybe Tom is ready. At least he
I'm-
found the IGEL device. I don't know how because it's not connected. So I don't know how you got. Oh wait, what is this? Is this
This
This-
is the
UMS or what is this? Wait,
Looks
how
like
did
some
you
sort of
connect to it
computer
if
thing.
you?
nope, not there.
Ah.
I'm connecting to the UMS. There we go. Oh, but I can't paste. Dang
My
it.
IGEL device just came back and said the system has a configuration change. Do you want to reboot? I'm saying yes.
Your IGEL device can
Dash
speak? What's that all about?
Apparently.
Troubleshoot.
Like an autopilot.
Can it speak UK English or just simplified English? Sorry, US English.
Uh,
Wow. Wow.
I speak Canadian English, but it's a little bit of both. I get the worst of both.
All right, what are you doing now? You need to give your fingerprint, Tom.
IGEL device is up. I'm back.
Is
Okay.
that B correct in the first column? It looked like the B should be a Z, but look, oh, I'm talking American now. Jesus.
I sure
Yeah,
you're
Trent
back.
works remotely a lot. Well, remotely.
I can see the
works
IGEL device
anyway.
up. It's. Oh, you know
7,
what?
2, 8, B, C, D, E, A,
Stop it.
99, 2, 7,
Password.
Yeah, no, that third B
B,
is wrong.
7, 3, 8,
6.
capital S,
Password in
underscore.
I always knew you liked Trent Brett
Oh,
better
who makes a
than me.
password out of bullet points?
That's
Mm. Yeah, you're not going to deny it, are you?
Huh? What?
All right.
Let's just stare at Eugenia's screen because most action seems to be happening there. The shortest action, but most action.
I mean, yeah. I mean, do you want
I-
to see how it all works? I mean, so like the script and where, because I mean that you might be like, wait, that's cheating. That was the script that just how did she even what? But it's really easy. So we've got like this is one that doesn't have like the secret passwords and stuff in it, but it's just like the IGEL Cloud Gateway, the one-time password, the certificate. This is all that the script was. This happens all the time, of course, with many of our users. So you know we have it ready to go here because why reinvent the wheel every time? And yeah, and then you just save it and add your information in and then run it, and that's all. That is all.
When
it
you
is.
were like clicking on the dashboard tab, I saw something else that click on dashboards.
And the dashboards tab, the main
Yeah.
like this one.
What is unified communications and collaboration that I see there?
Oh, down here at the bottom, like
Yeah.
the Teams dashboard
Yeah.
stuff. Oh, I mean, this is just like some pretty cool beta functionality that we have now. So you can see different information about the quality of different unified communications. Software
What
like
if you
Teams,
change
and
like the
Zoom and-
date to this
Date?
year, maybe?
I mean, I guess I could do that. Let's go to this year and
Very
go a little
cool.
crazy.
5
Whoa,
minute
hey,
warning.
let's go like,
Wow.
Just
like
as an
a
FYI, both
peer-to-peer
IGEL
call.
devices are backup, so we
Oh,
both completed the
let's-
task.
Well, I'm not seeing anything with Tom.
How do I close this
Yeah,
one?
so I'm showing both IGEL devices,
Wait,
so we can see we both.
did
did
you
it.
see-
Double.
I don't
Oh,
know.
in the
Tom is
bar,
still
that's fine.
reading aloud.
Ow, there we go. Okay.
You can now close this. Well, I could close it at any point I wanted to. What it means is you probably should close this window now.
How do you close this window?
How do you
got a
close the
handle on
window?
mine, I just pull it.
Don't want to close that window. I want to close this window. Wait, what's going on here?
Tom, how did you win the last time? I mean, like the time before that. Luck?
Well, if you recall, I was using ControlUp and we were doing penalty shots, and Canadians cannot hold their liquor as well as good people from Washington State, Oregon.
Tom, are you
So-
referring to the VDI Showdown from
Oh
2020?
yeah. Did someone say penalty shots?
Shots of Lafroig though? Like, what is wrong with you? You don't do shots of Lafroig. You sip Lafroig.
You don't do, yeah, absolutely. That's sacrilege.
I mean, seriously, that is. I am
Shots
dying
of
inside.
Lafroig. Oh,
What are you
the hell,
drinking,
something
Tom?
so barbaric.
It's Lafroig. It's like if you were to get like a boot, and then you get like a campfire, and the
Wait just
campfire
a second,
has
let
to
me
be
pour
in
myself
like
another one
Scotland, in
there.
like a really peaty area, and then you just set it on fire, and then you pour some like oil and like gasoline on it too, and then it's like a campfire boot. That's Lafroig. She
Maybe
says,
that's how
with
you do
love.
it in California, Eugenia, but
I'm not from
up north.
California, Tom.
from
Come
the,
on,
from the San Francisco Valley area.
dude. Wrong coast. Come on.
Yeah, I smell burnt tires and asphalt, and let me see.
Lafroig is a
What are there-
lovely
let me
peaty
let me
island
quaff
malt.
the noise.
Do not
Lafroig.
discredit it.
Roy
Alright,
said someone
so
who cares about Tom
that is
should
so
maybe reach out to
tasty.
him after this.
Just to
Maybe
do.
it's
I
okay.
mean, we're doing great on time, by the way. But I kind of lost
I
track
need some
because
help here.
I think doing the actual work, right? Like doing the assignment, like fix the problem that it couldn't connect. I think Eugenia did it in like 10
3
seconds.
seconds. Yeah.
So Eugenia did it. Right? So Trenton
Yeah,
didn't do it.
But I phoned a friend.
I
I
That's
mean,
okay.
hey, using your resources wisely is one of the best things an IT admin can do. Let's be honest right now, right?
see, but that implies that you have friends, Eugenia, and
Well, that's
obviously,
something you probably, Tom.
yeah. And I'm upsetting all the Californians too, and
So Lisa,
I don't know.
Lisa, what did you think
Yes, Joel.
of this round?
I think Tom might be the loser of the losers. That's
Yes,
just what I think.
yes, the biggest loser.
That means that Trent, you are in third place officially.
Hey, everyone loves winning the bronze, but they hate losing the silver.
Yeah. What?
Like from like a fortune cookie. That was
Hate
really
winning the
nice.
silver?
Spoken like a true Canadian, Trent.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
All right. Okay, that brings us to the final round, which is Eugenia versus Guy. That means ControlUp versus PowerShell.
What could possibly go wrong?
Very yellow. So we have orange versus yellow. Okay, let's have a look here what our scenario is. A user is having issues with their audio, and so they call in the help desk ticket, and they say, hey, my headset or whatever audio thing they have is not working, and that needs to be fixed. So let's put 10 minutes on the clock and see how it goes. So timer started.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
So I saw on the ticket.
Hold on. The timer did not start.
I
Stop.
saw nothing on the
Well,
ticket.
finished.
No, hold on.
Oh, no, sorry, I'm Swedish, not Finnish. Sorry,
Oh
my bad.
gosh. Okay, has the clock started? Has the clock started? Are we ready? Can I go? Can I win
stop.
now?
Start.
Oh.
Did it go? There we go. Yeah, we're good.
Okay. So I saw on the
Oh,
ticket it was
Windows
this
11,
one.
you've handicapped me already. Here's a list of the things I like about Windows 11. Do you want me to
Your
repeat it?
teams.
Do you want to
Yeah.
repeat it?
Right.
Okay. Sorry.
I am
Back
admin.
to. Okay. What are you doing here, Eugene?
I am an admin.
I am
Great.
remote controlling this session. So I'm just going to go on in and I'm going to go down to the audio settings down here and look and say, oh, hey, it looks like they've picked the wrong one. That could be it. So let's go back and then we'll see.
I can check it for you.
Well, yeah, that sounds
Fund user on the other
great.
side. Let me try.
The user's gonna
playing
go
with the
ahead and look
slider.
and
I
I hear dings.
Her
Yeah,
ding.
sound can be heard. Well,
Sound is
shucks.
fixed.
I mean,
Okay,
I
so-
guess that's kind of what we were trying to do, huh?
So now you need to close ticket, right? And like send them a survey.
Okay, I mean, I guess I could technically do that. I could do that with the user sentiment, huh?
All right. I didn't
Just
even
send a
I didn't
survey.
even think about that.
I mean, I kind of thought that's where you're going. No, I mean, I could.
No, I
we could
wasn't
go
at
all the
all.
way. You want?
Hold on. Let me just check in on Guy here.
I'm not Czech. I told you I'm Swedish. Can you not tell from the accent?
Sure can. What are you doing here?
I'm
Guy.
typing on a keyboard. You may have heard of them.
Why are you typing activate Windows? Oh no, sorry, that's in the screen.
I'm seeing
cheap.
what sound devices there are, now seeing what drivers I've got, check the drivers are there. And don't seem to be any. That's useful. I wonder if they're called sound.
In
Let's
the
use
meantime,
a
I'm just
regular
having a quick
expression,
peek
haven't-
here at Eugenia's screen. She's like creating what seems to be a survey.
Yeah, I'm just being like, hey, how's your audio now? All good. And then they can just like, I have it just as a free text because I mean, I guess I know this user and I don't know, just kind of more like a
the
message type
quotes
thing. But I
aren't
could have it be like
properly.
multiple choice and like on a scale of 1 to 10, please rate how satisfied you are with this blah blah blah. I could do that. That's just
Oh.
kind of boring. So I'm
Give
gonna
me
not
a-
do that.
Give
Very
me a
corporate.
quote character.
Yeah. And
Ah,
then
keyboard mapping. Help!
Yeah.
Help! I need a
just
quote.
go. I'll just include.
To be or
I'll
not to
include
be.
everyone.
No, that's not.
You
a
have plenty
quote,
of time,
silly
Guy.
boy.
I mean, you have plenty of time. I mean, you already
good.
lost, but,
Yeah.
but
Well,
I
no,
mean-
I'm gonna try for second place. Just give me a chance, yeah. And what I need now is.
I should have invoked his handicap. That would have been a good idea.
Are we playing golf? I can't even get a hash character now. Oh, for crying out loud! Map my keyboard properly. Way. Put a quick comment in there so we can come back to it. Run all. Should we get good
Who's
old
Toby?
char map? God, the things you have to do to get a quote character around here. Oh.
I can type too if you need.
No, that would be cheating. Then there'd be two of us, like with Eugene and the doppelganger. Oh yeah. You take control of the mouse. That really helps me. Yes, thank you very much.
My hands are up. I'm not touching.
Ooh,
Oh, let's see
there's
what Tom
something
is
on my
doing.
leg.
Tom is not doing anything. Good. It's like the rest of the game.
So if I can get back to there without messing up the keyboard. Keyboard? What's a keyboard? I don't know.
Oh, it's a
I'm
newfangled
just
new
curious
invention.
who Taylor Folt and Toby whatever are, but okay.
To be or not to be. Have I got a
Those are my underlings.
It's really quite difficult trying to do this on a on top of the message. So perhaps I should clear the screen. Let's see if that works. No, yeah, it would work if I got rid of the hash, the comment character at the start of the line. Otherwise, it's there's another comment. Fantastic. Now I've finally got my I got my quote characters. Not that that was a pain in the posterior, given the keyboard mapping here. It must be mapped to a Norwegian keyboard. Right, so I've got some sound devices, although perhaps they're not that sound if they're not working. Oh, look at the play on words, isn't he a funny man? Funny.
It's a shirt, right? I mean,
yeah. Right, what was I doing? I was going to, so are they running? Oh, well, yeah, I didn't get all the information up, did I? So I better go back and actually have a look at all the things and let's have a look.
5-minute warning. I think I haven't
I
heard from
hate your
Eugenia in
Earth
a while.
minutes. They're so short.
I'm just making surveys. It's
that's
not all that
that's
exciting.
cool. That's cool.
Okay, where is my grid view? Oh, it's over there. Look. Right. So, what audio devices have we got? We've got some which aren't running. That's not good. Let's have a look at some of these.
That's so
boring stuff. Accept pause. Yeah, well, my dogs would rather keep them. Thank you. So do we need to start those devices, or do we need to go into Teams into PowerShell? Invoke -fix microphone phone brackets minus application teams minus manners on minus please. I think that's the command.
I don't think you have that module.
Ah, damn. Damn. Install module teams fix-ups. Although this is a 4 gig module, apparently it's got so many fix-ups in it. Come on, install that module.
Did you turn off the progress preference again?
Oh God! All these, I hate these backseat drivers. Well, yeah, just install it. Yeah, go on then. Yeah, just do it. Yeah, A isn't one of the options. It's not all. Guy, read the message. Read what? Oh, that. Right. Okay. Come on.
You know,
keep
maybe
doing
your
it.
problem is that yellow background. Maybe it's like kind of messing with you
Yeah.
because it's messing with me. I feel like, oof, yeah, I just, no.
Yeah, perhaps I should. No, I know. I need to change it through PowerShell, though, won't I? So.
Can you Google like what the kind of like color yellow does to somebody's brain?
Use.
Isn't green is supposed to be calming, right?
It's
Green
definitely
is
not
not
yellow.
a creative color. That's all I know. But
And red is anger.
Or passion.
Lisa, did you get the reference?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That is like that video messed me
Right,
up.
something install that.
Yeah,
Back in,
almost
so
more than that
I'll
color
do it
yellow,
through the
huh?
registry. Hello, are you going to tab complete anytime soon, registry provider? Come on.
I feel like I need to put the video into the chat, Lisa.
I was just thinking that.
I'm gonna do it.
Is this like, I feel like it's like an our generation kind of a thing, Eugenia.
What are you saying?
Oh, you young
You'll
people.
see.
God, I hate you young people.
I'm gonna record a TikTok. This is
I used to be
unheard of.
young.
Rory says it's almost 8 p.m. After a long day of looking at loading bars and error messages, I am now using my free time watching someone else's loading bars and error messages. What am I doing with my life?
Hey, I'm about to show you the registry in PowerShell. It doesn't get much more exciting than that. Although Reg has got other things other than trees in his garden, apparently.
Oh,
Tab completion isn't working.
But
Come on.
how we're doing on time?
We got
Still
about
60
90
minutes
seconds
to the
left.
hour, I believe.
Maybe we have like 6 minutes left. What are we gonna do with all that time?
6 minutes, not 1 minute 25.
No. You have 1 minute left.
Oh, right. I could tell lots of jokes.
I mean, we could have a pun off.
We're
I
looking
might
at a joke
probably
right
win.
now.
Yo,
Ah! Ooh, wow. That was a low
respect your
blow.
elders. Why is nothing out in this window? I'm typing. Oh yeah, that helped massively.
oh, the double hop.
Good old control backspace to delete words at a time. That helps. Bet you knew about that one. Hey,
Wasn't it
guys,
easier
we're in
just to
control
call the
panel
user
now.
and explain to them how to fix it?
Oh, not all the time.
I wonder if it's
Not
worth.
all the
Can I just turn it off and on again? That might help. Yeah, let's just kill teams. That's bound to work, isn't it?
Who's winning?
That killed your screen share.
Not the
I was thinking
audience,
that might
Lisa.
kill my
Not the
screen share
audience.
as well, but I've just shot myself in the foot. Oops.
I mean, this is like last time. I'm really only understanding a really small amount of what's happening here in technical perspective. So
Honestly, Eugenia, obviously, I don't know. I did look at the clock, but I'm pretty sure you had
oh,
it.
there's your
done
evil twin
within,
again.
I have it again? Seriously?
Yeah, I've broken everything. Oh, hey.
How is
She's a little
this
smaller
happening?
this time. She's like,
Yeah, your evil twins window in window.
My mini me?
yeah.
Well, that helps me massively now that I seem to have hung everything by killing teams.
Wait,
from
Eugenia,
inside
did you
of teams
finish?
team share.
Oh, ages
Time
ago. Yeah.
is
Oh my
up.
god.
I was trying to get
Yeah.
teams back up, but it's still logging in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just messing around with the survey just for giggles earlier. But like, no, I was like
Wow.
less
By the
than a
way,
minute.
I am
Yeah.
super surprised that nobody used any sabotage. We didn't put anybody in jail.
I sabotaged
mean-
myself.
Hold on.
Yeah, he clearly sabotaged himself.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Kill the application you're using. Yeah, that always works well, I find.
All
So
right.
pull on my sword.
Great
And
game.
that brings us to the end, Lisa. Yeah.
All right,
Well, what
let's
can
go
we say?
through the ranks. In fourth place, we have Sir Tom. Tom, how are you doing after your shots there?
Wait, did you
Doing
say do
okay?
another? Did you say
Oh
do
God,
another
no!
shot
Don't.
there?
What is wrong with you?
You were ready for that one.
Oh man.
I'm so deeply concerned.
In third place, we have
I have to
Trent.
explain it to HR, by the way.
Yeah, Joel's Tom's boss, right?
I
So
was.
is that drinking of you or?
Yeah.
And then in second place, we have Guy Leach. Great job, Guy. And our reigning champion, Eugenia. Congratulations. You get
Oh,
bragging
thanks.
rights and nothing else.
I demand a recount.
The fix was in.
Fix.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Too soon, Guy. Too soon.
I forgot to hit record. Can we start over?
Oh
Yeah.
God, no.
The shootout
All
is
those
getting
shots
harder
all
than
over
you
again, Tom.
Right. And I think that, I mean, great competition, a lot of fun. For, if you have any ideas for a future edition of the Showdown, go to our Twitter, email us, email Trenton or Guy or whatever, find us on LinkedIn.
Hey, what about
I
a
don't know,
customer
on
versus
TikTok.
customer one? Like actual users, and they all have to use ControlUp, but like different ways. Just saying, that could be kind of cool. Just
Oh,
throw
we
that
should
out
do
there.
that for round 3. I mean, this is a
Isn't
series.
that
We're
a
gonna keep it
sat-nav
going.
application?
And they could have
Yes.
like a ControlUp sponsor, like it's like a like when you're in like a boxing where you got like your coach, like they gotta have a person that's like in their corner, kind of. I'm just okay. Anyway, just
I
thinking
would
out
I
so
like
loud.
this.
I'd so be your cut man, Eugenia.
Oh, he wants to win for a change. Wait, no, he won in
Yeah.
2020. All right. Thank you, everybody, for attending. We really appreciate it. If you have any questions on how to get access to all that cool technology, ask Siri or ask Alexa, and that should give you all the answers. But of course, thank you, players. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you for co-hosting again with me. It was a lot of fun, and we'll see you all the next time.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks, everybody.
See you guys.
Bye. Are we mutated yet?